Hi guys, today is Sunday, June 19th, and I'm going to the beach today because it's been so nice this weekend. Yesterday it was like 90. I hung out with my friend by her parents' pool, and today I was like, Adam, we have to go to the beach, but Adam is going out to breakfast with his dad right now, so we're going to be leaving a little later than I wanted to, probably closer to 11, which kind of sucks because we're not going to get to the beach till like 12. Probably closer to 1. Kind of sucks when we had plans, but I kind of forgot it's Father's Day, so he does have to go, out to breakfast with his dad, I guess. So, yeah, beach outfit, really nothing special. My bathing suit is from Joyce Leslie. They're not open anymore, but the bottoms look like this. Yeah, you guys will see more of it in a little bit. Cokes my goatees, Mrs. McGoatees, Cokes my goatees. Roscoe's Potus Misses.
Coco loves the ghetto.
Coco loves the ghetto. We're so annoying. We are so annoying, babe.
Roscoe loves the ghetto.
Roscoe's scared of the ghetto. Roscoe shit himself in the ghetto. What?
I don't hear nonsense. I don't listen to nonsense.
Why are you like drinking?
Little flames.
You're so fake. You're so Coco likes the ghetto.
Thank you. Have a good one.
We're at the beach. Finally got here, almost 1 o'clock. So happy to be here. It's packed. A lot more packed than we thought it would be, but it's just such a relaxing time. So happy. I know I should have brought my books too. Could have brought a lot of stuff. First beach day. Summersixteen. Babe's chilling. Let me see, guys. Sun's directly in my eyes. Can't really see. That's the beach. I think it is. It's a new one. I don't know if I ever vlogged here before, guys. It's the Nature Center. I feel like I did.
That one, though.
Yeah. So I'm saying this is the newer one. Oops, I'm gonna fall right out of this. It smells now. Look how fancier this one looks. Looks like a zoo. Look at this. Look at the snake. Look at the snake. Look, snake, snake, snake. I want to prank you with a snake so bad. This one's ready to strike. Any moment. Just kidding, guys.
Look at this one fucking climbing out. Look at. He's fucking climbed out.
There's kids. He's not climbed out.
Yeah, he is.
No, he's not. He's trying to, but he's not going to. The frogs up here. My mom would love these. The frogs used to catch in the backyard.
Whoa, right.
Hmm?
Snakes.
Oh my god, he can't get his work done. That's awesome.
It says, please do not touch the turtles.
I had a turtle.
I want to touch it though.
I want that little one. Let's take them home.
I know.
Look at the snapping turtle.
Look at this one. Is that real or fake?
That's a snapping turtle.
This one? Right here. This little one. He's cute.
Same with that one.
Look at what's swimming. Look what's swimming. Oh my god. Look at this one swimming. It's going under. You're so cute. Yeah, let's take a little one home. Look at it swim. Why is that so cute?
What's the snapping turtle?
This one has like paint on it.
Touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. He's lying.
Yeah, you're crazy now. We're locked in.
Are these baby snapping turtles?
Yeah.
That one wants out.
And then, like this guy, I hope he's not gonna try to dive in here.
What would happen if he went in there?
Well, hopefully he doesn't go down the filter. On the pipe. That's why we're gonna put some screens on here.
Oh, he went down there before?
No, small ones. Like this guy.
Aw, the poor
Look at the snapping
baby.
turtle.
Well, he caught him down the filter, but we were like, where did he go?
Oh, so you know how many are in here?
We know how many are in here. That's through injection. Poisonous is if you were to eat it. Just like dart frogs or something, you eat them.
So if you
That's poison. He's not poisonous. You can eat a snake. It's the venom that disables you and can kill you, right?
That's crazy.
could eat you, kill you. That's will kill you.
Look at that one. Snow out.
Where are you going? Looking for crabs?
Yeah.
You find anything?
Found one? Little.
Which one? A gun? Is it alive? Oh, it's right there.
Wait.
What is it?
Yeah, it's little. Show them. Baby crab.
When we first found it.
You guys see all the way out there. It goes. Stop. Look at that. That's crazy. Look. As close as I could get, guys. Look at these two people out here, babe.
What are you saying?
Look at lovebirds. Lovebirds. Back out on the road again. We're home.
Shake that little ass.
What's up, kid?
Look how happy. She's gonna eat her grass. You happy, boy? Oh. Hi. Hi. Go. Go with daddy. Go see daddy. Go see daddy.
Hey, get my garden.
It's a good call. Look. She's happy, bro. Yay!
Let's see if she kicks.
He's so cute.
Look at Roscoe.
What are you stretching for? Make him do it. Go. Oh. These two guys right here I love so much. They make me so happy. Look at them. Look at them. Bulldog hugs. It's like, Daddy, I want bulldog hugs. Oh.
Where are you going?
What is she doing? Oh, we're gonna get on a vlog? He runs around, guys. Adam does this thing with him and he'll see if...
Roscoe, go! Roscoe! Go! Run!
Go, go, go! Come on, lazy turd! Come on, go! He's not getting it today.
Roscoe, run!
He doesn't get it.
You don't have to poop.
Did you see that? He comes right in like a ball. That's hilarious, dude. Watch. He bites it. Oh! Oh! You're crazy! Isn't he crazy?
He pooped yesterday. He don't have to go no more. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, he's sniffing it like that.
Hi. Next store I went to was Windsor. Bags look like this. And I don't usually find anything in this store, but lately I've been finding really cute stuff. So I got these hats that I'm obsessed with. Like, I love this hat and I get compliments.
The flea market. I got Deidre in the car. They know who you are. It's actually you.
Hot mess today.
No, you're not. You're fine. You're still gonna get hit on. Watch.